Hey beautiful friends, welcome back to Sisters MIEE.
Do you know what time it is?
It's science time with Sisters MIEE. Abracadabra.
Safety first!
Today we are going to do an experiment called Elephants Toothpaste. One of them will have potassium iodide, which is the one I will be doing. The other will have yeast, and Isabel is going to be doing that one. Both of them will use hydrogen peroxide, and we're going to add some food coloring to make it look cool. Give me all the supplies.
Whoa!
It appeared just like I said. Make sure you have an adult to help you when you do this experiment. First, add our food coloring to our hydrogen peroxide.
There we go.
1, 2, 3. We also added dish soap to our hydrogen peroxide. And now we mix the ingredients together.
Whoa! Whoa. Filling up. Whoa! It's coming. Whoa!
Oh, wow.
Wow, that is coming out smoothly.
I thought it was going to go faster, but okay.
It's not coming out that fast. Come on!
It's so
Smells
yellow.
weird.
It smells like dish soap. Our dish soap.
No. It smells like food. Weird food that I never taste. But I smell it.
Oh my goodness.
Wait, why is it shiny?
I don't know, but it still looks pretty.
Yeah. It looks like...
Yours is rising.
It's rising. Now it's like a light blue. Yeah. Come on. Hurry up. The top, it's what? It's kind.
Whoa.
Whoa, it looks so...
It's like chocolate coming out.
Whoa, blue chocolate. Whoa! It's going fast.
Oh, it's a light blue now.
Told ya. Oh, I see some dark blue on the
It's
bottom.
turning to water. This one is. By the cup.
Whoa. Yep, it is. Mine's not. Mine's kind of weird. Whoa,
It's like a little ball.
it's glittering too.
It's like a ball and then like liquid.
If you thought that was cool, tell me in the comments which one you like best.
Thanks for watching. Don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe.
And give it a huge thumbs up.
And remember, be kind to others.
And make new friends. Bye-bye.
Bye-bye.